In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to Uber. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber application like you normally would. Then go to the bottom menu and then select on the option that says account. Once you're over here, you should be greeted by a page that looks something like this. All you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on the option that says wallets. Once you're over here at the very top, it will now display your Uber cash balance. And this is basically money that you guys could utilize in order to make purchases, like for example, ordering Uber Eats or calling a cab. So before you actually add money, you need to make sure that you at least have a payment method. So if you do not have a payment method, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it says add a payment method. So at the moment, I am using PayPal, but you could also just directly connect to your bank account, use Venmo, a credit or debit card, Google Pay, and there's also many other options that you guys could utilize as well. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and got a payment method, then all you want to do is you want to press on this button that says add funds. And then you guys could pick whether this is a one-time purchase, auto refill, or even a gift card. So if you want to go ahead and do a one-time purchase, you can go ahead and do that real quick. And then from here, select the amount of money that you want to add to your Uber Cash account. So this could be 25 bucks, 50 bucks. It really is up to you. And then at the very bottom, you want to go ahead and actually confirm the payment method that you're going to be using in order to actually fund your Uber wallet. So obviously for me, it does show PayPal, but for you, if you did pick your bank account, then your bank account should appear right over here. All right, but once you selected an amount, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on add funds. I don't really need any cash on my Uber account right now, so I'm not going to be doing that, but obviously you guys could do it easily. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.